Hey guys, it's Kate. Long time no see, I guess. It's been a while since the last time I uploaded a video, and I feel really bad about that. At the end of the video, I talk about why. I'm not going to talk about it now. It's dumb anyway. So today's look is very peachy. It's not even, all my videos have been called soft glam, like the past couple videos. So this is like soft, but still very full glam. Could possibly be my prom makeup. I don't know yet. Haven't decided. I talk about that in the video as well. Not in super detail. Or maybe I'll cut it out. I don't really know. I'm just kind of going through the motions right now. It's been a long time since I videoed. Yeah, so if you guys are liking what you're seeing, then feel free to watch the rest of the video and find out how to do it. Okay, so I already primed and set my eyes off camera, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with the BoxyCharm Pure eyeshadow palette, 12-piece eyeshadow palette. And this just came in the most recent box, which was the vacation box, and it is the March box. So these are the colors in the palette, and I'm going to go ahead and start with this one right here, and it is Naked. I can't say that with a straight face, sorry. But anyway. And I'm going to use this is just a like angled like eyebrow brush, but I decided to use it for this. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the product and kind of start to almost like do, I don't even know what this is called. Like, is it I don't think it's like, I have done this before, but anyway. So just kind of carve out like a line for where I want the shadow to be. Almost like a cut crease, I guess you would call it. I don't know. I mean, you can obviously see like what I did on this side, but the color is so soft that it doesn't look like it has a super hard edge, which I kind of like. It's kind of different. And then once you get a general like outline of where you want the shadow and the color to go, you can go ahead and I mixed this other color from the palette. It's called Belle, and I used a little bit of that as well. It's more of a pinky toned color. And I'm just going over that line. So next I'm going to take, this is a brush, it's the Step 1 for the money brush from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. This also came in BoxyCharm this month. I think I'm using actually a lot of stuff from the BoxyCharm this month, but whatever. So literally it's just called Step 1 for the money. And it's just like a flat shading brush, and I'm going to take those two colors from the Pure palette again and just pack it on to my lid just all over. Apologize for all the noise that you hear in the background. We're having like another basically blizzard in Jersey. First full day of spring, and it's like it's a mess outside. And I haven't even been outside yet, but so then I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna mix the shades Squad and Bay from this palette, which is this color right here and this one, and they are kind of like a shimmery, seem more like metallic shade, and I'm just going to tap this onto the inner half of my lid. And next, for a little bit of a brown liner, because I didn't want to go in with a black liner because I wanted to be more of a soft look, even though it's definitely very glam. But I'm going to use, this is an angled brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a number on it or anything. It came in like a pack of brushes, like that came like a little zip thing. And it was just a bunch of like eye brushes and face brushes. So I'm just going to use this, and you can use obviously any angled brush for this. And I'm just going to go into this shade, this brown shade, which is Duet from the palette. And I'm just going to use that and run it along my lash line and use it to just follow the line of shadow that I already made as my liner. As I'm doing this, I'm thinking this might actually end up being my prom makeup as well, because I actually have what might be my prom hair going on right now, because like I said, we're having like this whole blizzard thing, and my mom was like, we have some time, so let's try doing some prom hairs. So that's why I'm looking a little extra right now, I guess you would say. But I don't know, I'm doing this and I'm like starting to really like how it looks on my eyes and all that good stuff. So I don't know. And also my dress is down at my grandparents' house, because I knew if I kept the dress here, I also don't have room in my house, but if I kept it here, I would not be able to stop myself from trying it on over and over again. I'm absolutely like obsessed with my dress, which is a good thing, obviously. So I'm going down to try it on because I finally got all my jewelry and my shoes and my bag, so I want to see how everything fits together. So, and then for the pop of glitter on the like inner half of my lid, I guess you would say, I'm using the Lit Cosmetics Joy solid size 3 glitter, and I'm using their clearly liquid glitter base to stick that onto my eye. And I'm using just a Q-tip, and I'm just dipping my Q-tip in a little tiny bit of the base and just kind of like tapping that onto my inner corner. And I don't really mind if I don't see the liner underneath, because it doesn't really matter to me. But just to give it a good sticking point, and then I'm just dipping the Q-tip in a little bit of the glitter and carefully tapping that on to my lid. And definitely keeping it more concentrated towards my inner corner, and then kind of like diffusing it. Yeah, kind of diffusing it as I'm getting closer to my, like the center of my lid. And of course there's glitter like everywhere. And then I'm going to take the step 2 for the shadow. This is also from the Vintage Cosmetics company. I also don't have any clean brushes right now, so that's why I'm using just all stuff from the BoxyCharm that I just got. But I'm going to take Nike and Belle and run them on my lower lash line. And for my waterline, I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Bourbon. And I'm just going to carefully line my waterline. He really just put music on. If you hear that in the background, that's my dad. We have the like a Google Play thing or whatever, and he has country music on. Hopefully I can edit that out so it's not super loud, or do something with it. Alright, and then really quick, I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to use the Duet shade from this palette, which is what I used for the liner, and I'm just going to use that and just smoke out the bottom lash line a little bit more. And then for my mascara, I'm going to take the Double Decker Lashes from Butter London, and once again, came in my BoxyCharm, but I tried it and I really like how it makes my lashes look. Like, it's not super clumpy, but I feel like it makes my lashes look super long. And then as per usual for my eyelashes, I'm taking the Pure Pro eyelashes, and these are the Bombshell lashes. I don't know why I need to look at the package. I literally only use these eyelashes, but they're my absolute favorite. So I'm gonna keep using them. I actually have a second pair. I don't remember if I talked about this before, but I lost like one eyelash for like a day and a half, and I was like at Ulta just because. Was that a sneeze? Oh my god, everything is so loud in my house right now. But yeah, my mom was at Ulta getting something, and they had the Pure lashes there, and I was like, I'm gonna grab a pair. Just because if I need to do a makeup, or if I want to do makeup, I won't have lashes to do anything with. So I grabbed them, and then I came back and I found them, and I was like, I was really annoyed about that, but now I have two. And I haven't even used the new ones yet, just because these are still good, obviously. But, yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and just, I usually start by securing them at the center, and I go from like a downward angle on my eye. And then once they're secure at the center, or at least as close as secure as they're getting, then I go ahead and do the outer and the inner corner. So I actually used a beauty blender to apply my foundation today, and it is still a little bit damp, and I'm going to use that to apply my highlight. I've seen a bunch of people doing this, so it's not like this is some groundbreaking discovery that I made, like usual. But I'm using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop, and this highlight is so beat and absolutely worn. I've had this for like ever. It's one of my favorites. But since my beauty blender is a little bit damp still, I'm just gonna take a little bit on my sponge. Well, it's not a beauty blender, it's a Real Technique sponge, but you know what I'm going for. And I'm just going to press that into the skin. I'm taking the ColourPop matte liquid lipstick. I don't even know like what the, hold on. So this is an ultra matte liquid lipstick. I had to look at a different tube of it because it doesn't like, any sort of like lettering has completely worn off of it, but it is in the shade Speed Dial. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my lips. And then, as usual, to finish my face, I'm going to spray it with the Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist from Kat Von D. So that is the completed look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I actually really like it, and the more I'm looking at it, I have a mirror behind me. The more I'm looking at it, I'm actually really, really liking it. It was super easy, and yeah, tried out some new products, like I did, I think, in the past couple of videos, but whatever. Yeah, so if you guys liked what you saw, feel free to leave a like and a comment. That'd be pretty cool. And if you like me, you like the content that I'm putting out, whatever, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow my other social medias that are linked in the description box below. That would be awesome. And I'm pretty active on my other social medias. I have my Twitter and my my personal account, and my makeup account linked in my description box. So I'm trying to be more active on my YouTube channel, but with it being lacrosse season, I am beat all the time and I'm exhausted, and I just never have time to sit down and film. Today was pretty cool that I got to. I was very, very happy about that. I love to sit down and make videos, but hopefully this video will be up soon. I'll probably try and edit tonight because I won't have time to do it any other night. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.